Davis coming at you from my home studio. I just wanted to touch base with you because we've got some idle months here in the summer. We don't know what to do with ourselves. Some of us are going on vacation. Some of us are going camping. Some of us are doing books. Some of us are wondering, what the hell am I going to do? Nobody's calling me. Well, I just got a list from my representation, a vast amount of episodics that are going to be coming out, and I'm totally stoked for that. The reason why I'm recording this video is so that you can come and check us out. Troy Metcalf and myself have put together this summer intense package for 2 months, July 8th through August 26th. This course incorporates all of those skills that will ready you for the audition room, that will ready you for on set. It's got elevating your listening skills, emotional, vocal, and physical freedom, script breakdown and proper script analysis, character exploration through tactics, objectives, and expectation exercises. We're going to be doing improv. We're going to be doing imagination games. We're going to be doing relaxation. We're going to develop your process, that process that is going to be fail-safe in working with character development, prepping you, bam, like that. You're going to be ready to have a intact process ready to go. As soon as your agent sends you that email that you got an audition, you're going to know exactly what to do. We're going to be working with scripts. We're going to be working with plays, feature-length scripts, really good feature-length scripts, and some pilots, and some episodic, some television. We're also going to be working with emotional scale, sense memory, and substitution work. Fundamental camera techniques. So when you're on set or you're in an audition room, we're going to be including that in this process. There will be nights where we're going to be completely on camera. We're going to be working with the camera so that you know what you're going to be providing when you go into the audition room and to be aware of when you're on set. We're just going to fine-tune your process. So whether you have a process already and you just kind of want to reignite that and you want to kind of make sure that you're not missing anything, because look, hands down, I think I got it all, and then sure enough, I miss something. Every single time I work with my private coach and I'm going in for an audition or I'm working on a role that I booked, I always seem to miss something, because having that outside eye is going to help you, is going to help assist getting you to that full holistic version of that character. We're going to elevate your confidence, we're going to empower you, and we are going to get all those cobwebs and those doubts out of your head. So come hang with us. 8-week intensive that is set for you, specifically for you. info@actors-vibe.com. Or you can go to our website, actors-vibe.com. You can call me. If you got my personal phone number, you can call me. Otherwise, you can go to the Insta and instant message us at actorsvibe. Or you can email us. Yeah, got that. Facebook us, actorsvibe. Or you can Facebook me personally. And I will send all the information over to you. Look, it's going to be a blast. It's going to be so much fun.